So what do you think of that?
Came in this country.
My friend. Yo, Buddha. Hey, kuja kwa baba. Sikia, simama kwanza.
Just walking with my baby.
Say, come, kuja. Njoo.
Yeah. That's my shit, nigga. That's my. You see, baby, I told you when I came in this country, I'm going to, you know. What's up, bro?
Buddha.
I like the way you're dressing, nigga. People from US here just came. Who is this beautiful bitch?
Oh, ametoka majubu.
She's from United States.
Hapa nimeshindwa.
That's very good, you know. I just came, I landed in this village. These are my boys, yeah? Then I met this bitch here. She's my she's very sweet, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. What's up, you?
Where are you from? US, which town, maybe?
I am from Enamoy.
I'm from Los Angeles.
You?
Yeah.
You look like, I know it.
You know that place?
There, yes, I know that place, you know. This is my fucking nigga. What's up, eh? Boy.
Unaongea nisikie bwana.
Unaongea nini? Umeanza kuingiza box ama ni nini? Babe.
You see?
Makoshi. Yes.
Madongo aende.
Zao kofia.
What's happening? What's going on here?
Oh, Habuching. Oh, you see? That guy's He's a village boy, you know. This village boy, they know how to beg from we international guys, eh?
What's up?
Okay.
Simu yangu nilikuletea utengeneza unaanza hapo.
You forget about this beggar.
Wizi gani?
Hii simu ni bebe wako.
What's happening here?
You don't mind the boy. That boy is.
Hii simu
What's happening? You know
The boy wants to eat, you know.
Aibu kitu gani na na kule rusimu utengeneze simu. Kwani hii simu
forget about the little boy, drag.
Wewe bana.
Makoshi. Nikabuchinga wasoko lazima wapi? You're just wait, nigga. You know, you see, when I came to this village,
Where's my phone?
You just wait. You know me, baby. I'm one of the best. Bam, 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 bam. I'm going to You just forget about that useless boy. Yeah?
Acha kunipea kizungu mingi ya US na umeenda na simu yangu au vipi?
Nataka unisaidie bana hapa hivi.
Story gani tena unaomba? Story ya makochi mmeleta hapa bana.
Udemu
ndio nimemuingiza box leo bana.
Wewe mwingine ametoka majuu, mimi sijui kizungu. Sasa nataka nimwambie twende kwa nyumba.
Wewe unajua vizuri sitoki US. Wacha mjinga wewe naye. Una ban.
Sasa nitamwambiaje? Anataka twende kwa nyumba.
Nimwambie ametoka majuu. Si ndio? Sasa unajua mambo ya majuu mimi sijui vizuri.
Ndamwambiaje twende kwa nyumba?
Ile kitu utafanya. Basi ona
ajui Kiswahili.
Babe.
We talk kwanza tukutu.
What are you talking?
You motherfucking you just chill, eh? Let me talk to my guy. This is my village guy, my boy, machine nigga. This is my nigga, you know.
Baby, what's happening?
No, we are just chilling, yeah. The boy was talking to me. He wanted to talk to you.
And what about that man who snatched your phone?
You forget about that village beggar. The guy's just begging, you know. When I came back to this village, the villagers was they wanted to know me, and that's why, you know, villagers we come to beg. Just pick my phone. I'm going to send $1 to him. I just deal with dollars. I don't care. I don't deal with shillings like this fucking country.
Right, I got you now.
So,
let's go, baby.
Ngoja sasa hapa unacheza neno na sijui kineno kwa.
Sasa jipange. Buda, wait. Okay, you just relax. Ne? Let me talk to my boy. Yeah. I came to this village to yes, man. Are you just chill, eh? You just relax. What's up? I bought that fucking phone to you, baby. Why are you looking like you want to control me? People from United States, we don't fuck. We don't do this shit, yeah? You just relax. Let me talk to my boy. Yeah. You relax. Forget about boy. Right